What's up everyone, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to hard reset on Samsung A06, that is the brand new one. Alright, so let's go. Firstly, you need to turn off the phone. Okay, just hold the power and then press the power off. Again, and wait for the powering off is completely. After that, you need to press the volume up and the power together until you can see the logo Samsung appear right here, and then release all the key, and then after that the recovery mode will appear. Okay, so let's go. Hold the volume up and the power. Okay, 1 2 3, up and power. Just hold it and then release all the key and wait and see. Okay, right here is called recovery mode, that we can wipe all the data, or we can say hard reset of the phone. So what are we going to do, or are we going to choose, is to choose the wipe data factory reset. Okay, just press the volume down to the wipe data factory reset, and after that press the power. After that, the phone will automatically format the data, and it also automatically reboot to the menu. It may take about 5 minutes for rebooting. So that's it for hard reset on Samsung A06. Everybody, please also don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell for the future video. Thank you.